As a professional, I recommend this disinfectant for effective germ elimination. Regular use prevents illness and ensures a healthier home. This disinfectant spray is perfect for everyday cleaning.
The key concept here is singularity. Focus on this one element. It brings clarity.
Observe how bacteria react to this chemical. The cell walls swell and then burst, destroying the bacteria. Let's see how a chemical can break a bacterial cell membrane. The molecules attach, weakening the structure and cause it to break apart.
The surface texture is smooth, with intricate patterns. Fascinating detail.